Hello and welcome to my channel, Beauty Vlogger. In today's video, we're going to talk about the question that everyone seems to be asking in all the beard subreddits, which is, will the patches in my beard ever fill in? And is there anything that I can do to fill in those patches? A lot of the time there's this misconception that beard oil is going to help fill in those patches, and I think a lot of that actually comes from really immoral marketing tactics. There's a lot of companies out there that claim that their beard oil is going to fill in your patches, and then you buy the beard oil and your patches never fill in. Really, a lot of it has to do with genetics. Your patches may or may not fill in on their own. Beard oil definitely will not fill in your patches. There are some things that you can do to help the hair that you already have. If you take a biotin, that'll help strengthen and thicken the beard hairs that you already have, but it will not help you grow hair on your face where it didn't before. Some other things that you can do is really just take care of your body, exercise, drink lots of water. These are all things that'll help your beard grow faster and stronger, the existing hairs that you have. So what can you do then to actually fill in the patches? And the answer to that is Minoxidil. There's a lot of really great YouTube channels that will show you their Minoxidil journey. They'll show you what their beard, how patchy their beard was before they started using Minoxidil, and then afterwards. I would strongly encourage you to check out my friend George over at The Beard Boost. I'll put a link to his channel down below. Really great guy, super energetic, lots of great content. Before you do go down that Minoxidil route, I strongly encourage you to talk to a doctor. There's a lot of potential side effects, and anything from skin irritation to heart palpitations, and I'm just not going to be held responsible for that or be the one to tell you to go ahead and use Minoxidil, but that seems to be something that has worked for people in the past and truly is the only thing that will potentially grow out your beard in areas where hair isn't already growing. And more importantly, just rock what you got. We all have areas in our beard that we don't like. I mean, I've got no hair that grows under my lip, which is actually quite common, but everywhere else, I mean, even my sides are pretty patchy, but as the hair has been growing in, I'm now into week 20 of my year journey. The patchiness has kind of filled in as those hairs layer over top of each other. So that's something that you might want to try too if you have a patchy beard. If you have enough overall coverage, those patches will kind of organically fill in as the hairs grow longer and layer over top of each other. Go ahead and make a friend in the comments below. There's a lot of great people down there. Thanks for watching. Now stick around for the bloopers. Beard style Reddit for all the beard top claim that their beard oil is going to fill in their YouTube channels that anything from skin irritation to heart, anything from skin
Perfect.